Good afternoon, ABR Market Watch viewers. Today's story sees Indian shares ascending, fueled by a powerful duo, autos and energy stocks. Optimism about US-China trade negotiations and the upcoming Fed rate decision has provided a robust backdrop for this upward trend. Key gainers include Mahindra and Mahindra in the auto sector, with early signs of demand recovery following GST cuts, and energy stocks surging for a fifth consecutive day due to government support and steady fuel demand. This positive momentum is spreading across small caps and mid caps, hinting at a broader market revival. The optimism extends to trade talks between India and the US, despite ongoing tariffs on New Delhi's Russian oil purchases. A potential agreement removing these tariffs could significantly bolster our markets, as suggested by V.K. Vijaykumar, Chief Investment Strategist at Georgette Investments. In a notable development, NTPC Green Energy surged following the commissioning of a 100 megawatts project, while United Breweries gained on J.P. Morgan's forecast of volume recovery and margin expansion in H2 FY26. Larsen & Toubro shares reached a one-month high today, buoyed by a significant order from the Nuclear Power Corporation of India for the Kudankulam Nuclear Power Project. This high-value project is expected to fall within the range of 10 to 25 billion rupees, with LT tasked to install key systems such as nuclear reactors, turbines, and other equipment. While this win contributed to the Nifty's daily gain, it hasn't quite ignited the same spark in LT's overall performance this year. Despite this positive development, LT shares have struggled compared to market growth. In the bond market, the 10-year government bond yield remained steady ahead of a state debt sale and the Fed decision. Overnight index swaps showed little movement, with the 1-year rate at 5.475% and the 5-year rate slightly down at 5.7075%. The Indian rupee strengthened against the US dollar today, aided by gains in Asian currencies and reduced interbank dollar selling interest. In summary, Indian equities and currency are showing signs of growth based on expectations for monetary easing in the US. The bond market remains steady ahead of a state debt sale and Fed decision, while money markets maintain moderate rates. As we wrap up, remember that ABR Market Watch is your go-to source for the latest market insights. Stay tuned as we continue to deliver valuable updates to help you make informed investment decisions.